Here I've got Maze Comet, and let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick Sound. And now over here you will notice Do Not Disturb. Just open it by tapping. Now you can set some priority only allows, so open it, and now you can allow reminders on Do Not Disturb mode. Also you can allow some messages from particular contacts, so it can be from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts only. Let me pick from contacts only, and then you can also allow calls from someone, from anyone, from contacts, start contacts, or from none of above. I will pick none of above. And then you can also activate repeat callers function, so if the same person calls you a second time within a 15-minute period, it will allow it. So let me do it. Let's go back. Then you can set some automatic rules. So click on Other Rule, Time Rule, or Event Rule if you prefer that one. Let me enter Hard Reset. Click on OK. So it's named Hard Reset, and then select the days on which it should be activated. So maybe let's pick Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Click on Done. Then select the period of time, so maybe between 11 and 6 a.m. next day. And then select the option to this rule, so shall it be priority only, alarms only, or total silence. So let me pick total silence and decide if alarm can override and time. I definitely will mark it, and let's go back. So from now on every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday between 11 and 6 next day, total silent mode will be automatically activated. If you would like to switch off this rule, simply tap on this switcher, and if you would like to delete it permanently, simply tap on bin icon and confirm that you would like to delete it. Let me go back. And finally, you can also personalize visual disturbances, so let's open it, and now you can block when screen is off and block when screen is on and off, So select whichever you prefer, and actually that's it. Now you can simply enable it by sliding down the upper bar and find Do Not Disturb mode icon, click on it, select the particular option, click on Done, and from now on it's active. If you would like to switch it off, simply tap on the same icon one more time. So that's it. This is how you can use and personalize Do Not Disturb mode on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.